So when people think about painful intercourse or pelvic pain, they often associate that with women or vulva owners, but it's actually kind of common in men or penis owners. About 15% of people who have penises also experience some sort of chronic pain at some point in their life. And so the symptoms that are associated with this are pain, itching, or severe discomfort while sitting for long periods of time, while peeing, or while having sex. But some other experiences that my clients have expressed is that they also experience pain or discomfort when they're becoming aroused or when they orgasm. So if this is you, make sure that you are speaking with a doctor, a knowledgeable doctor, specialist, and a sex therapist, because sometimes there are psychological components to this as well. So if this was shocking to you or surprising, drop a comment below about why this is so surprising to hear that this might actually be much more common than you think.